Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Welcome to today's vlog. It is Monday, March 20th, 2023. It's a beautiful day outside today in Florida. Actually, the weather couldn't be any nicer. About 60, 67. So today I came into Epcot, beautiful, wonderful Epcot, to see Blue Oyster Cult perform. As I know a lot of people have come into the park for that. It's pretty packed here tonight. Spaceship Earth is always a good indicator. Oh, 40 minutes. Wow. That's always a good indicator how busy the park is, because it's dying. So like I said, I came in to see Blue Oyster Cult. I know it doesn't really seem like music I would listen to, but I love rock music. I've been to a lot of rock concerts over the years. Let's head on in to the World Showcase, meander our way to the stage, because I have a feeling this is a big name band. The seats are gonna fill up quick, so let's get there. Waiting in line for Blue Oyster Cult. Harmonious is doing well, I wouldn't say dry run, but and right now the line for this is all the way down to Germany. The guy said goes all the way back over here this way. Everyone here to see Blue Oyster Cult. It's insane. It's about 10 minutes to 5, so they're gonna let us in here soon. I've actually never seen this for the first show, but there's a pirate ship back there. It's almost as if they brought the Blue Oyster Cult band in on a pirate ship. That's funny.
Tonight's Garden Rocks concert series. Now put your hands together and welcome to the stage, Blue Oyster Cult.
2 more shows. See you a little later. Thank you all. Thanks for coming.
This evening at the Garden Rocks concert series featuring
Okay, so I just got done with the Blue Oyster Cult concert. Very good. When Hanson played, they didn't even play Umba. So, Blue Oyster Cult at least played Fear the Reaper, which I think is what everyone wanted to hear anyways, because, you know, we need more cowbell. So now I am making my way to the World Showcase. I highly doubt that I'm going to accomplish anything else in this park, because it is packed here right now. Maybe I'll check the wait times, but, you know, I really hope you guys enjoyed the concert, because I know I did. Let's get on the Transportation World celebration. I don't feel like walking all the way around. And I've never done this. If I get on, we'll see.
We're on our way to Canada, which is gotta go in that way, even though Canada's that.
Okay, I just got off the Friendship boat. Gotta say, when you have allergies, the Flower and Garden Festival may not be the best place for you to go to. I can't stop coughing. Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna make my way over to Living with the Land. It said it was like a 10-minute wait, and I figured we came all the way into the park. Let's get on a ride. It's a little too cold to get on Test Track, otherwise I would do Test Track, but... Oh, sorry. It's gonna take some time. This looks familiar. 12 hours? Literally just got the same shot not too long ago. Alright. To the left, we make our way over to World's... we're leaving the World Showcase, so we make our way over to Living with the Land to the left. There's Figment over there. The new construction for Moana directly in front of us. If it gets any higher, I'm not going to be happy, but...
Welcome to a voyage of discovery and awareness as are sweeping over the land. The approaching storm may seem violent and destructive. And beautiful forests cover only a tiny portion of the Earth's surface, but they contain more than half of its plant and animal species. Rainforests are also extremely rich and productive living systems, providing us with oxygen, food, medicines, and other elements essential to our lives. Excellent as the desert, but over time, rainwater and nutrients gradually penetrated the hard surface of this land. Even the hooves of the mighty buffalo helped create the rich soil that would...
Yeah, that's that.
Of all the forces at work on the land, humans have had one of the most profound effects. The need to produce food for a growing world led to the enormous use and sometimes
In arid regions, we're learning to produce food on desert seacoasts by developing and planting crops that thrive on saltwater.
Welcome to our living laboratories, where scientists from Epcot and the U.S. Department of Agriculture are exploring innovative ways to produce bountiful harvests now and into the future. The tropics are home to the greatest diversity of plants on the planet. Many of these, like papaya, bananas, cacao. When we mention farming, you probably don't think of fish, but fish farming, or aquaculture, accounts for nearly half of all the seafood consumed globally. Tilapia, bass, and catfish, like the ones you see here, are three of the more popular crops raised by fish farmers. The sustainable system we're using here recycles the water in the tank for bountiful harvests and still protect natural resources. While there are more than 50,000 edible plant species in the world, most of us are only familiar with the handful that make up our everyday diet. The common grains growing here, wheat, maize, sorghum, and millet, plus rice, account for nearly 2/3 of our global food consumption. Learning how to increase yields of these staples is an important goal of research around the world. With it, we can produce over 27,000 heads of lettuce a year in this one small area. The fuel for the fish. It's another great way to produce more while using less. In our lab, Epcot scientists are working with the U.S. Department of Agriculture on a number of innovative projects. The goal of these efforts is to produce higher yielding for Walt Disney World. We hope you've enjoyed this unique journey through our living laboratories. If you'd like a closer look, then check out the Behind the Scenes walking tour. It's a chance for the whole family to get up close and personal with the plants and growing techniques in our laboratories.
everybody, I am leaving Epcot for the night. That's my view right now. Staring at Spaceship Earth. The seas of Nemo and Friends over here to my left. Half tempted to get on it, but I'm hungry. I'm ready to go home. So I hope you all really enjoyed today. We went and saw the Oyster Cult. Got on Living with the Land real quick because it was only like a 20-minute wait, if that. This place has gotten really busy. Anyways, if you like the video, like it, subscribe, helps keep you moving. Have to see you later. Bye. The sun's hitting it just the right spot. The line for Spaceship Earth is still insane. Let's get the heck out of here.
Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we